Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take Muscletech Hydroxycut Elite. Start with 1 capsule daily to assess your tolerance. After 3 days, you can increase your dosage to 2 capsules daily. Remember to take each serving about 30 to 60 minutes before your 2 largest meals. This helps your body adjust and ensures you're comfortable with the supplement. It's crucial not to exceed 4 capsules within a 24-hour period. Also, avoid taking Hydroxycut Elite within 5 hours of bedtime to prevent sleep disruption and ensure restful sleep. Staying well hydrated is key for overall health and supplement effectiveness, so aim to drink at least 10 glasses of water daily while using this supplement. For best results, use Hydroxycut Elite for a period of 8 to 12 weeks. After completing a cycle, it's important to take a 4-week break before starting again, allowing your body to reset. Remember, this supplement works best when combined with a balanced diet and a consistent exercise program for optimal progress. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for your individual health needs. Pay close attention to your body's response and adjust your intake as needed, listening to what feels right. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money and financial well-being, check the description below for the link and other exclusive offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.